Did you know Isaac already knew something was wrong? He said it himself. The voice is Jacob's, but the hands are Esau's. He knew, and he blessed him anyway. Isaac was old. His eyes had failed him. His firstborn son was supposed to be kneeling before him, but Rebekah had dressed Jacob in goat skin, rough, hairy, like his brother. And when Isaac reached out and touched those hands in the dark, he paused. That pause is where the whole story lives. He chose to believe what he wanted to believe. The blessing left his lips, and it could not be taken back. Then Esau walked in, and the room went cold. "Bless me too, Father." Isaac trembled, because he understood. It was done. Esau let out a cry that scripture never softens. Loud, bitter, broken. "Have you not saved even one blessing for me?" No tidy ending, no resolution, just a father who reached into the dark, and a son who came home too late.